A very good evening to everyone. I, Sabita Katal, would like to take class 7 GK. In my previous video, I have discussed with you chapter number 1 and page number 7 and 8. Let me start with page number 9 and the topic given here, unusual plants. These unusual plants are very rarely to be seen, uncommon, and has unique features. Mother Nature can be very strange, and sometimes its creations can be incredible, unimaginable. Clear? Now here read the description given below and name the world's most unusual plants. Take help from the given clues. Some descriptions are given with some pictures, and we have to find out the name of the species. The first one is here. This tree is a member of the asparagus family. Asparagus is actually a long green or white stem plant, and it can be cooked, and actually it is edible. It is from the island of Socotra and is well known for its striking umbrella-like appearance. If you see the picture, it really looks like an umbrella, and the name of the tree is given dragon tree. Second one, also known as bottle tree. It means it looks like a bottle. This tree originally belongs to Madagascar and can hold approximately 300 liters of water. Amazingly, it can live for over 2000 years. Actually, it has a long lifespan. It is called baobab, and you find these plants in the countries called Vietnam and Indonesia. These plants are very edible and full of nutrients. Next one. Third one, also known as Mexican hand tree. This tree bears ornate red flowers having the shape of a cloud hand. Means these flowers are of red and yellow color and in a shape of hand. The tree had religious significance to the pre-Columbian Aztec people. Okay, its name is devil's hand tree. It has medicinal properties and specially used to cure heart diseases. Clear? Now next one, fourth one, this plant is famous for its movements. Its small lateral leaflets rotate on its axis upon slightest influence of touch, sunshine, warmth, or small vibration. It is called telegraph plant, and it is famous for its movement, especially its lateral leaflets move. Next one, the fifth one, this extraordinary desert fern seems dead. It looks dead, but when it is put in water, it opens up and becomes all green and alive. So it is called Rose of Jericho, and it lives for 10 years. Last one given here, also known as golden fig. This tree first grows on the branches of another tree. It actually survives on another tree. It sustains on another tree. It then grows long roots, stretches around the host tree, takes its sunlight and kills it. So after growing, it starts killing the host tree, and then it takes the host tree's place. It is called strangler fig, and these type of trees are 50 feet tall and mostly found in tropical forests, especially in Florida. Children, I have discussed here some of the species of unusual plants. I hope you have got to know about it and try to learn all these first 3 pages of first chapter.